If you're a busy Nigerian, let's say a business owner, or you have a 9 to 5 job that takes all your time and you do not have the time to start researching on the different stocks to buy, these are the kind of investments that you should be looking into. They are low risk investments that will serve you better without having to expose all your capital to the stock market. Watch to the end because the last one is the best option of the bunch. One, mutual funds. So mutual funds, you are allowed to invest your money in different things. And it says that there are different types of mutual funds. The equity fund, the money market mutual fund. With this, a expert with years of experience as a portfolio manager actually manages this money, actually helping you invest in the stocks or bonds or money market or commercial papers that allow you make the best returns on your money. This is low risk investment at its best. Two, there is the commercial papers. Now, companies like Dangote Cement, like Boa Foods, they need money for what to work, right? And sometimes they do not have that cash. So what do? They are asking the public to borrow them money, and in exchange, they pay a fixed interest rate and a return of capital at the end of the period. Most times, this commercial paper is usually less than a year, so around 220 days if you're interested in doing that. Another one is through high interest savings account. Everybody knows about high interest savings account, but with good apps, you can get up to 14-15% on high interest savings accounts. So if you are smart about it, you will be shopping for it and looking for good options. But make sure that this company you're investing in is actually secure, because some banks can decide to disappear or some financial apps can disappear with your money. Next is FGN bonds. With FGN bonds, you are borrowing money directly to the federal government of Nigeria, and you are assured that except something major happens, right? Even the change of government does not change them from paying their bills. The government will pay your FGN bonds back to you. How this happens is that they give you a fixed interest rate at the beginning of the program, so you know exactly how much you're expecting. If with a treasury bill, you're going to be getting your fixed interest, you're going to be getting that at a discount. So for example, you are doing 100,000, you'll be only paying 90k and getting 100,000 at maturity. But if you're doing FGN bonds, it comes quarterly. So your interest is paid quarterly for the period, and then your capital is given back to you at maturity. So with this, I'm sure you have found options to invest in. And if you've not, look into ETFs. Yes, ETFs, they allow you invest in stocks without having to pick individual companies. In the Nigerian, you can go for the GRITI or the Vetiva 30 ETF that allows you to invest in the 30 largest companies in the Nigerian stock market, or you can go for the S&P 500 that allows you to invest in the 500 largest companies in the US stock market. With any of these companies, you are assured of what returns, because the laggards, the companies that do not do well, are removed from the index, and then new companies doing well are then added to this ETF. So make sure that you are continuously making good returns on your investments. If you learn something new, send us a DM. If you want to learn more about this and start, please do some research or you can also send us a DM. This is your money guy.